Yo, what is up, gang? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. We're on an electric dirt bike ride out. We have tons of hitters who are usually on dirt bikes, but today they're on an e-bike. So let's get in this video. It's going to be flippin' epic. Yo, we're out here right now, Surron gang, pulling up in Tampa. Y'all know the f***ing vibes. We got Squiddy out here, looking like a squid. Oh, hitting that turn, look out. Yo, it's so dope because like we're out with e-bike killer, bruh. Yes, sir. Say easy money. We got cars. Especially shredding. We deep, boy. I pulled a wheelie and I guess like I don't think we're supposed to pull a wheelie here, bro. Yo, but Tampa is a vibe, bro. Look at this. I'm for that hill climb, bro. Yes, sir. All right, there's a pole. Watch out for the pole. Look at the view! Yo, look at the view. Yo, look at everyone going down this, bro. Oh yeah, let's get it. Whipping it. Woo! I tried to wheelie down that, that was sketchy. Woo! My boy on the mini bike! Let's go, the boy on the mini bike cruising. I love that thing. Yeah, boy. He had a flat, but he's back now.
Bro, I stole my dad's rim, but I'm back outside by any means necessary. Let's go.
I might. That tree got my way. My hotel smell like the weed. Oh, there goes that mountain bike. Yo! That mini bike hauls ass. He cut you off, man. All the hitters out here right now. This is Florida e-bike culture right here, bro. Oh, through the freaking cones. Let's go. Through the woohoo! I'm in the pocket right now. Let's put break. I was outside just something like that. He seen Troll, he said, I'm keeping her up. I'm keeping her up. Oh, whoa! Yo, I ain't gonna lie, bro. This ride has been flipping dope, bro. Like I said earlier, like on the e-bike, you just really don't have any problems with the police. Everyone sort of like is cheering you on because it ain't a dirt bike, but it ain't like a bike, so like, I don't know. They accept it. They accept it. And yeah, now we're at a lot, but there's a cop here. Yes, sir. Hey, race me real quick. God damn! Yo, that goddamn pocket bike is so fast. You're way too fast, bro. What is that? How big is the motor?
That's electric 10. You gotta talk to Jack about that. Electric 10.
Is it like 72 volt or like, I don't know shit about electric bikes.
Me neither.
Oh. We're in the same boat, we just ride.
Electric tips. Electric tips.
What is it, like 72 volt or like?
Electric tips 29 Instagram. Follow me.
Hey, follow the boy.
Blasters, everything.
They'll let you know how to get this fast. Yo, wild, bro. Wild, let's go. Bro, it's a beautiful sunset out here in Tampa. And we out here picking up some wheelies on our eco-friendly bike. Woo!
Going left at the light?
I don't know. I ain't from here. All I know is a light, and you gotta get through it. And he went through it. He did it. And homies in the back did it. Woo! You're smooth in the stand-up. Let's go. Oh, look how fast bro going. Oh, nasty, bro. Nasty.
Yo, that should be so many things, bro. Outrageous motorcycles.
Bro, that's just fast. And
it's retarded fast, bro. He could have gave you like a head start.
Right? You got the 72 volt?
What? That's 72 volt in there? Yeah, it is.
That's, yeah, okay.
200 amps, 8,000
yeah,
watts.
That's crazy.
I build all kind of though, bro. Go check my page out.
I will.
Electric Tips 29.
Hey, Moto, bro, you don't have your right to put your wheel up here.
Oh, I'm coming next to you. I want to see how comfortable you are. This is how it is in the dirt bike pack, bro. You gotta get used to it. Ah! Woo! Slowing that bit down. Let's go. We're leading the pack. We're leading it out here. Now the sun's coming in. Woo! Right at the camera. Little hill climb. Oh, this is sick. This is dope.
Oh my god, is that MotoBroo?
Yeah, ready for this?
Oh my!